is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. The phone number is 0738 481382, and today we have a 2017 Mitsubishi Triton GLS dual cab ute, stock reference number 4126. This shape runs from the 4th month 2015 and is the current shape. It has a Forend 15, 2.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. Forend 15, 2.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has been in a rollover. We have the left-hand fog light. It's fitted with factory 17-inch alloy mags. Left front has a good tyre. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. It's got a factory tonneau cover with all fittings. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, manual type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, factory media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.